Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2020 320 Vantage, one of our hottest sellers. Let's take a peek. Let's start at the back of the boat with power. It's powered by the Mercury 300 V8s, ton of power, hops right on the plane, get a real good top end, underwater lights, and you've got the Abaco blue. Absolutely beautiful. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Let's take a look at the back of the boat. Really comfortable seat. You can sit 3 to 4 adults very, very comfortably. If you are going to throw the line over the side, which you can on this boat, you just fold it up, goes away. Nice leaning post. You've got to reverse this seat right here. I can lounge facing forward, lounge facing back. It's just a phenomenal seat. We move over to this side. We've got the dive door. It's great for boarding on a floating dock. It's easy access on and off the boat. Also great for bringing the fish on the boat, and also put the ladder out for swimming, getting aboard the boat very safely. Live well for bait, or cooler if you want it for a cooler. Refrigerator. And then as we move to the helm, we've got a large Garmin Mercury Smartcraft vessel view, and then we've got the digital throttle on the ship, and then we've got the joystick. The joystick, I can make the boat go sideways, dock it in any condition. Also has auto heading, which is an autopilot, and has Skyhook, which will lock this boat in the same place. It's a fantastic feature. Over here on the port side, we've got a cabin down there. It's got teak on the floor. If you need to get out of the weather a little bit, it's a place to go. Nice little feature to get out of the, whether it's rain or whatever it may be. The co-pilot seat over here is automatic, goes up and down, really comfortable seat. And as we move to the head, very large head with a skylight. It's got the vacuum flush in there, plenty of room if you need to change or shower off. Does it beautifully. We move to the front. Large seating area, large lounge area here. And we also have a windlass and a boarding ladder. You can take it right up to the beach, deploy the ladder, and you can get on and off the boat without getting in the water. Really popular feature on this boat. Does everything very, very well. So if you have any questions on it, would like to make an appointment to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Call me at 603-213-1194. And don't forget to sign up for our YouTube channel.